Hi, I'm Kevin Harris. In the next few minutes, I'm going to share with you a secret. Forex mystery has been sold all over the world for many years. Folks that make use of it all this way easy device. If someone lets you know Forex mystery is a scam, she or he is lying. You normally will not require worry to utilize it due to the fact you are able to buy your cash back should you be disappointed. The homeowners support you through providing 100% refund. For anybody who is wondering if Forex mystery scam or legal, you might have come to the correct location. This really is an truthful Forex mystery review. Just in case you suspect that Forex mystery is often scam, our review can assist you. Concerning our review group comprehensively achieved our examination and reveal our thoughts. Simply by checking our review you can uncover a lot more information across the item. Here you will find out the useful information about Forex mystery. 1. Is Forex mystery really useful or simply a fraud? 2. Is there a refund guarantee about Forex mystery? 3. Could we really trust Forex mystery? 4. Guidelines for using it. Our company of very capable and excited writers spend a number of hours scouring the web for items and websites to review and treat every single submissions with the same regard and deference. We hope our web page will meet your needs. Forex mystery is a service or product which enjoys a strong reputation. You can purchase. The makers uphold Forex mystery, giving you a complete refund. Should you be feeling that Forex mystery will not be normally the one you are searching for, you are actually permitted the whole refund of the cost within 60 days you buy. Pros. 1. Convenient to use. It saves your cash and saves your time. 2. Easy to download. It is safe. 3. It is completely portable, meaning it can go with you on a thumb drive, smartphone, as well as other portable device, and run on any Windows PC. 4. It offers good customer support which answers any inquiries you might have quickly. 5. The 60 days money-back guarantee proves the efficiency with the program. Cons. The one drawback of Forex mystery could possibly be that the discount nearly all of Forex mystery users are trying to find is obtainable only on this internet site. The final review conclusion, from all the Forex mystery tests done as well as the in-depth research and analysis released, we can easily safely conclude that Forex mystery actually works and is not for real. Refund rates are nearly zero, and simply because with this particular nearly a lot of customers are pleased using the treatments Forex mystery give. As a result, the homeowner present you 100% money back guarantee. So what are you waiting for? Click the buy now button below and I'll see you on the other side.